If there are black spots on the surface of the particles, and it looks like there are impurities inside, the results of such particles are often unsatisfactory if they are marketed. So what are the main causes of black spots, and which ones will it be? First of all, it may be that your machine is not clean, followed by raw materials it contains impurities, and then it may be the cause of screw carbonization. The last may be the workshop of this environmental pollution. What does the main solution include? First, you may want to address this situation of switching to a production clearing machine. Clean up a little more. The second is to strengthen the detection of incoming materials, especially those that have added mineral powder or flame retardants. Thirdly, attention to control and adjust the temperature of the screw cylinder and the processing time of the material in the screw cylinder to control the overall processing temperature. Fourthly, we pay attention to the hygiene of the production line, especially the isolation protection of the machine between the production of different color master batches. Focus call is reinventing the value of materiality.